Hello, SafeMoon holders, my friends. So, my friend, the SafeMoon is going wrong, my friends. Why the SafeMoon price is going down, my friends? And what's the price of SafeMoon? What's the latest update of the SafeMoon? In this video, I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Anyways, my friends, in this time, if we talk about the SafeMoon price, so now the price of the SafeMoon is 0.000003 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the SafeMoon. Furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the SafeMoon, so you can see that the price is going wrong. 24 hours and last 1 day changes after SafeMoon is negative, so that's why I'm worrying about the SafeMoon that the changes is going wrong. And you can see here, if we talk about the available supply, so the supply volume of the SafeMoon is very high, my friends. Unbelievable supply of the SafeMoon, my friends. First time I'm seeing. You know what? Why the supply of the SafeMoon is very highly? Because the price of the SafeMoon is very low. That is why the supply of the SafeMoon is going low, my friends. And my friend, the changes is going wrong. So let me show you. Oh my God, is the price is also going wrong, my friends. The price is very badly dumps. So my friends, in this situation, I really recommend for all of you that please don't worry about these changes, my friends. It's a common rules, it's a common procedure of the cryptocurrencies market that price sometime pumps, sometime dumps, sometime price increase, sometime price decrease. That's the rules, my friends. Don't worry about these changes, my friends. Absolutely, my friends, after some period of time, after 1 week, after 2 weeks, the price will again pump. Don't be disappointed, my friends. And please hold, don't decide to sell, my friends. My friends, if you decide to sell on this price, so now the changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. But other hand, my friends, if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a possibility the price will pump in the future and they will give you good amount of profit. That's why I'm really recommend for all of you to please hold SafeMoon to the last of this month, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about SafeMoon? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.